good evening and very warm welcome to my class. How are you all? Hello 10th, what's up, what's up, what's up? So today we are starting a brand new chapter जिसका नाम है linear equations and not just linear equations, pair of linear equations in two variables. All right. So linear equations, we have been learning this chapter from class 7th actually. Then in class 8, we have learned about simple linear equations. In class 9, we have again learned about linear equations in two variables. And in class 10, we will learn about pairs of such linear equations in two variables. All right. So this chapter is divided in just 3 lectures. Today, that is lecture number 1, we will be learning about graphical method of finding out solution of pairs of linear equation. And in lecture number 2, we will be learning about substitution method and elimination method. All right. Hi, Alku. Oh my God, I'm seeing you after such a long time. Hi, Alku. How are you doing? How is your school going? Thank you, Priyanshu. Thank you so much. Hi, Ilma. I really missed you, beta. Hi, Aditya. Hope today you are on my side. Hi Navya, hi all of you. So welcome bacho to the class. Now, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you won't get the notifications and you won't be able to know when session is coming at what time. And also hit on the like button if you enjoy today's lecture. Okay. Hi Piyush. All right. Now, as you all know, this class is right now happening on the Wave platform of Vedantu, right? So, if you also want to attend my classes on the Wave platform, quickly join the link given in the description. So, what you have to do is go to Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel, click on this Prodigy class 10th ka lecture video, and then you have to simply go to the description. In the description you have this link now, watch this session live on Wave. And if there is a student who is attending this class after the live class is over, then you can watch the replay. So just click on the replay link. All right, so quickly everybody join it, because we are going to play quizzes, we are going to have all the fastest finger list, leaderboards, rewards, and many other interesting things. Okay, bachu. I'm doing good, but Alku, I really missed you. Hi, Kamal. Hi, Harshit. Hi, Param. What's up? What new technologies are you learning these days? Yes, Kamal, I remember you. Welcome. Okay, guys. So even if you're using a phone or a laptop, in both the ways, you can attend this class by simply clicking on the link in the description. Okay? I know, Priyanchu. I hope that too. But I have a full feeling that will happen again. Okay, guys. So today's lecture, we are going to learn about a lot of things. Okay, literally a lot of things. Okay, we are going to first revise what are linear equations in two variables, what are solutions of linear equation. Then we will learn about graphical representation of pair of linear equations, and to find out solution of pair of linear equations. So there are lots of topics that we are going to learn. Okay, but of course, if you understand it once, everything is super easy. All right, so let's begin. Let's begin. Hi, Dhazza Ram Beta, welcome. Okay, chalo. So let's get started. Basically, what are linear equations? Tell me, what are linear equations? You all know what are linear equations, right? So what is it? आज परम का बर्थडे है. Is it your birthday today? Oh, happy birthday, Param. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Hi, Nitesh. Yes, so a linear equation is an equation in which the power of the variable is only 1. Not more than that, not less than that, right? Now talking about linear equations in two variable. Suppose in our real life we have a situation where we want to represent number of 10 rupee notes, number of 20 rupee notes, and their total value is 500. Now, if you don't know the relationship between number of 10 rupee notes and 5 rupee notes, then you will have to take two variable. One is number of 10 rupee notes and the other will be number of 20 rupee notes. So for such type of equations which are linear, you need two different variables. So such type of equations are called as linear equations in two variables. What is the standard form of it? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, neither b is equal to 0. Right? You all already know it. Class 9th mein we have learnt about it. Now next comes, what do we understand by solution of a linear equation? So what is solution? What is solution of a linear equation or of a linear equation in two variables? What is the solution? Can anybody tell? What do we understand by solution? What do we understand by solution? Fatafat say. Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Nobody. What do we understand by solution? Yes, Priyanshu. That gives 0. No, Priyanshu. Half of the definition is right, half of the definition is wrong. Kritika, wrong answer, beta. Yes, Kamal, kind of right answer. So, if I have a solution, see, you guys know the concept, but why are you unable to give the answer? So, what is a solution of a linear equation in two variables? Any idea? Well, the answer is the value of the two variables for which left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. The value of the two given variables x and y for which left hand side becomes equal to the right hand side. For example, if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 will be 5. 5 is equal to 5. Hence, proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, the value of two variables for which LHS is equal to RHS is called as solution of the equation. Right? Hanuman beta, two different chat box now makes me very, very tired. You know, looking this side, that side, this side, that side. It becomes very confusing at some time. So, it's better if you try answering it here. Okay? ओहो हर्ष इज हियर हर्ष तुम्हारा स्वागत तो प्रियांशु करेगा ना व्हाई विल वी डू इट यू डोंट टॉक टू अस यू ओनली टॉक टू हिम ही विल ओनली डू योर स्वागत okay so understood what is the solution now geometrically what is the meaning of solution of a linear equation in two variables now suppose I say that I have my equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, right? Now, since it is a linear equation, what kind of graph will it have? Can anybody answer what kind of graph will it have? So, it is going to have a straight line graph, right? It will have a straight line graph. Now, when I'm saying that I have an equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, it is going to have a graph which is a straight line. And if I am talking about solution of the equation, so solution of this equation is basically 1 comma 1, where 1 is the x value and 1 is the y value, right? Now, graphically what it represents, so the solution of the equation will represent a point on the straight line 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Everybody understood what is the meaning of graphically? So this is our equation. This is the graph of the equation. This is the solution of the equation, that is 1 comma 1. What how can we represent solution graphically? So we can represent the solution graphically with a point on the straight line on the Cartesian plane, lying on the straight line. Okay, understood? So geometrically it will be a point x comma y which will lie on the line representing the equation and vice versa. Understood? Till now what we have revised: linear equation in two variables, solution of linear equation, graphical representation of solution. Three things we have learned. Okay. Now fourth concept is pair of linear equations. What is the meaning of pair of linear equations? So pair basically means if we have two linear equations, okay, if we have two linear equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So they are basically like a couple. Couple means two things, right? So pair means two things. So if we have two linear equations, we will call them as pair of linear equations in two same variables. It's like suppose I am talking about a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. And then I am talking about, suppose I write down a2z plus b3 something x plus c is equal to 0. Now, is this pair? No, it is not forming a pair. Why it is not a pair? Because here the value, the variables are x and y, and here the variables are z and x. So the variables are not same, so they are not forming a pair. Understood? So we are basically representing two equations, both in terms of x and y. Clear? Now, how can we graphically represent pairs of linear equation? Now, very simple. If you have two lines, two straight lines, what all conditions are possible? So if I have a Cartesian plane, no, Alku, no. The variable has to be same. The value doesn't have to be same. Okay. Now, if we have two lines, either the lines can intersect, or the lines can be parallel, or the lines will be coincident. Is there any other criteria possible? Any other condition possible? Anything else possible? If you have a linear equation, pair of linear equation, not possible. If I have two lines, they will intersect, they will be parallel, or they will be coincident. There is no other direction or method possible, right? Yes, so that is graphical representation of pair of linear equation. Now, let us try to learn how to plot. How to plot pairs of linear equation. How to plot pairs of linear equation. Okay. Now, let us look at the question. What it is trying to say. The question is saying the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Let us consider that the number of bats are represented by X. Okay. And the number of balls. Sorry, not the number, price. Price of bat is X rupee. Price of ball is Y rupees. Okay. So 3 bat and 6 ball will be 3 into X plus 6 into Y is equal to total 3900 rupees, right? Similarly, if later she is buying another bat, means one bat and 3 balls of same kind for 1300 rupees. That means this is our equation number 1, and 1 bat plus 3 balls for 1300. This is our equation number 2. Clear? Equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay? Yes. So, first of all, we have formed the two equations. Now, what we are going to do is, we are going to basically plot the graph for the two equations. Okay. Now, how to plot the graph? Do you all remember in class 9th, we have already learned how to plot a graph of a linear equation of one variable and of two variable. Do you all remember? It is very simple. You convert the equation into this form. What is this form? one variable on one side, other variable on the other side. Okay. Now you substitute the value of x and find out the value of y. Substitute the value of x, find out the value of y. Again, similarly for second equation, substitute x, find out y, substitute x, find out y. Now, once you have the coordinates, these are what? These are basically coordinates. So, once you have the coordinates, plot them on the Cartesian plane and draw the graph. How? First of all, you will draw the Cartesian plane, you will draw y-axis, you will draw x-axis, you will decide the scale. Here I have chosen a scale. X-axis 1 unit is 200 rupees, y-axis 1 unit is 100 rupees. Then I will plot the point of both the lines. So first I am plotting this line with these 2 points. Then I am plotting this line with these 2 points. Now after plotting the lines, you can yourself observe that both the lines are meeting at one point on the x-axis. And at which point they are meeting? They are meeting at 1300 comma 0. What is 1300 comma 0? It is a common point which is available on both the sides. That means what is this point? Basically it is solution of pair of linear equations. It is the solution which is common in both the linear equations, right? It is a solution which is common in both the linear equations. Understood? Yes or no? How we have plotted the graph, what we have done, everybody understood? We will simply find out the coordinate points, we will plot it, and then we will find out where they are intersecting and we will know. Okay? Ma'am, please take a session for class 10 math reference books. Okay. A very interesting video is coming for class 10th math reference book. Okay. Very interesting video. Like you will have a good laugh. Okay. So class 10th math reference books, 3 idiots way. This is something I have made it on my own, and I have designed a new idea to explain you guys which type of reference books are good for you, and this video is coming on this Sunday. All right, it will come on this Sunday. So it's going to be a wonderful video, and very good explanation will be there to understand which type of book you should choose. Okay. So just watch it out on Sunday, and you will have a clear idea which book you should follow. Okay. Hanji, chalo. Now. Thank you, Priyansh. Thank you. Okay, guys. So till now we have learned how to plot a pair of linear equation, and they can be intersecting, parallel or coincident. Now, the last topic and the most important topic of this chapter is how to solve a pair of linear equation. There are 3 methods for doing so. First is graphical method, which we will learn today. Next is substitution method and elimination method, which we will learn in lecture number 2. Ready? So, what is the graphical method of finding the solution of a pair of linear equation? 3 things, 3 possibilities. First is, if your 2 lines are intersecting, if the 2 lines are intersecting, there will be a single point, a single solution which will be unique, right? Now, if the lines are parallel, then the equation will have no solution. Since they will not intersect, they will not have any solution, right? And if the lines are coincident, they will have infinitely many solutions. So what are we doing over here? What are we doing over here? We are basically graphically telling without finding the solution. Without finding the solution, graphically we can tell it has 1 0, that is one solution. It has how many solutions or no solutions. Understood? So every pair of linear equation will have one solution, no solution or infinite solution. Understood? Now, How to find out that? It is very, very easy, and we have a formula for that. What is the formula? If we have two linear equations, then the lines will be intersecting if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. They will be coincident if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but and equal to c1 upon c2, and they will be parallel if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, let me summarize it once again. So if you know the coefficients of x and y, just compare them. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then intersecting lines. If they are equal, coincident lines. If a and B are equal but not equal to C, then they are parallel lines and they have no solution. Understood till here? Understood till here? Hi Nivedita, how are you? Um, Yes, everything is summarized on this particular table. You don't need anything. What is the comparison of ratios? Graphical representation, solutions, and their consistency. So if they are intersecting lines, we say the system is consistent. If they are coincident line, again we say the system is consistent. Only if you have no solution, we say the system is inconsistent. All right. Chalo. Now let us see what type of questions can come in your exam. Question number 1 on your screen. On comparing the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair equation intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. How are we going to solve this question? So simple. In this question, A1 is 5, B1 is -4, C1 is 8. A2 is 7, B2 is 6, C2 is -9. Now, how are we going to approach this question? Simply find out A1 upon A2. How much is A1 upon A2? Alku, please calculate. How much is B1 upon B2? Who will calculate? Navya will calculate. And how much is C1 upon C2? Priyanshu will calculate. Come on. Hi Shweta, what's up? Alku has got the answer 5 upon 7. Yes, Navya, B1 upon B2 is how much? And Priyanshu, C1 upon C2 is how much? Hi Adi Gaming. Kamal ka answer aa gaya. Adi has also got the answer. Quickly. Yes. C1 upon C2 is 8 minus 8 upon 9. What about B1 upon B2? It is -4 upon 6. So simple question. Since A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, therefore intersecting lines. Therefore intersecting lines. Very good. That's the answer. And it is going to have a unique solution. Next question. Check graphically whether the pair of equation is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. In this question, since it is written graphically, it means what? Plot the graph. You have to plot the graph. So in the first equation, we have x is equal to 6 minus 3y. In the second equation, we have x is equal to 12 plus 3y upon 2. Now plot the equation for both these graphs. So once you plot the graph, and you will observe, obviously either they are intersecting or they are parallel or they are coincident. Now once you have plot the graph, you will have a point of intersection since it is intersecting lines. Okay. Now this point of intersection will be the solution of the equation, because in the question they are asking you the solution, so you have to find out the solution. Okay, no, first they are asking is it consistent or inconsistent. So your first answer is consistent because intersecting. Then secondly they are asking what is the solution. So solution of this is 6 comma 0 because they are intersecting at this point. Everybody understood how you have to find out? Yes, so these type of questions can come in your exam. Another type of question which is very possible to come in your exam, on comparing the ratios, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Chalo, find out everybody and quickly tell me the answer. A1 is 5, B1 is wait, what I can do is I can create the space here itself. A1 is 5, B1 is -3, and C1 is, oh, C1 is, what is C1 बच्चों? What is C1? Can anybody tell me what is C1? जल्दी से, what is C1? -11 or +11? Think again. C1 is -11. How come -11? Because the standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. So the C1 value is -11. It is not +11. Similarly, C2 value is +22, not -22. Understood? Very good, Nivedita. Now divide A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. How? What is the value that you are getting? A1 upon A2 is -1 by 2. B1 upon B2 is -1 upon 2. C1 upon C2 is again -1 upon 2. That means A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2 equal to -1 by 2. So our solution is, yes, since all the values are equal, consistent, not inconsistent. Since all are having equal values, they are consistent because they are coincident lines. Coincident is consistent. Coincident is consistent. So if you are getting A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2 to be equal, then they are coincident and consistent. Remember this table? If they are equal, coincident. Okay. So if they are equal, coincident, consistent. Clear to all of you? Are you all able to understand everything? Everyone, let me know. Very good. Everybody has understood. Okay, so it is now quiz time. All right. Question number 1 on your screen. On comparing the ratios, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Hi Harshit, कहाँ गायब हो गए थे? On comparing the ratios, find out whether they are consistent or inconsistent. Ready? Three. Should I start? Should I start, everybody? Okay. Three, two, one, go. Mark your answers. Very good. Aditya, Alku, Navya, Kamal, Kritika, Shiti, Afreya. Okay. And Pranav. Oh, awesome. Good job. And the right answer is consistent. Very good. Next question. On comparing the ratios, find out whether the following pair are consistent or inconsistent. Is it the same question or what? No, no, it's not same. Yeah. Too many things. Why, Nidhi? For what you are saying, too many things. Done? Ready? Okay, three, two, one, start. Mark your answers. On the fastest finger list Kamal, Riddhi, Shiti, Alku, Afreya, and Kritika, and Mon, and Nitish. Very good once again. Good job. Alright, so the right answer is inconsistent. Okay, guys, so that was all about today's class. I hope you have understood what all we have learned today. What are linear equation in two variables, linear equations in two variables and their solutions, graphical representation of solution of a linear equation, then pair of linear equations, their graphical representation, and how to find solution of pair of linear equation by graphical method. Okay, so six different things we have learned today, and I hope you all have understood that. Okay, guys, so this is your homework to practice. So do practice these questions and let me know the answers in the comment section. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining in today. See you all in the next lecture, which will be on Monday. Monday will be the next lecture. All right. Thank you, Nivedita. In the last class, I didn't give homework, right? Oh, let's look at the leaderboard as well. We have Kamal at the top, then Alku, Aditya, Riddhi, Shiti, Afreya, Kritika, Navya, Pranay, Mon, and Nitish. Awesome. Okay, guys. Yes. So, once again, a reminder to all of you that if you want to score very good marks and give your 100% for your class 10 board exams, then you can join in Vedantu's pro courses where you will get online classes by the amazing master teachers of Vedantu, live in-class doubt solving, quizzes, polls, leaderboards, just like you had in this class, regular test series every 14 days to track your performance, all India test series, which will be like a pre-board exam for all of you, assignments for your practice, class notes for revision, Tattva book for practice as well as revision and replay of all the classes. And all of this is now available at a very minimal price. Right now we are offering Pro Lite course at just 4,500, but from 1st of June this price is going to become 9,000. So before it becomes 9,000, quickly enroll it. Okay, come on. So quickly enroll it. And you can also enroll Pro Plus if you want a personalized class where teacher can pay full attention to you, and they will be like tracking your progress, helping you out in every way possible. All right, guys. So do apply my coupon code SKEPRO to get the discount. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. See you all next Monday. And don't forget, Sunday ko very interesting video is coming up for your reference books. All right, see you all. Bye guys. Ta-da.